One of the great features in MAJK is sharing. And so to get to sharing, you go to the Tools menu and then click on Sharing. And what this lets you do is take objects from your Magic environment and share them with other people, or receive objects that other people have shared with you. There are different types and categories of objects that you can share. Those can include plugins, teammates, conversations, skills, and so on. And within the share items view, you can see the things that you are able to share. You can filter on them, you can search by typing in and so on. If we take an example of our video editor plugin, in order to share that object with someone, and this could be a plugin you've created, or it could be a plugin someone else has shared with you. But in order to share it, all you do is select the item. You'll see this pop-up that gives you information about it, including the version number and where this is stored within your Magic environment. You click Create a Share Link. That will generate a link, and that link will pop up on the screen. When it pops up, you can see it's this format. It's MAJK / share, and then a unique identifier for this object. You can copy this link, and so you just click the copy button and click Done. The idea is that you now give that link to the person who is going to receive the share from you. You can transfer it to them by message, email, whatever mechanism makes sense, but it's simply a text link that you can share with them. They will then come to the sharing menu in their Magic environment, and they'll come to the installed shares screen, and they will click the receive share button, and then they will paste that object into the link. They will paste it into this text box and just click the install share button. I'm not going to do this here because I already have this on my environment, but all you do is click the install share. That will download the full package of the plugin into the recipient's Magic environment, and it will install it. And once it's installed, then that plugin should be fully functional and they should be able to use it straight away. And that, as I said, covers other categories as well. So depending on the category, they will get skills, or they will have team members added to their environment, or they'll be able to look at conversations that you had with Magic, so tasks that you completed, and they'll see the flow of what you did, how you did it, what happened, what worked, maybe what didn't work, and so on. Once you have started sharing, you can also see things that you have shared and who you've shared them with. This is looking at your account and the information tied to your account that has been processed as sharing. And then the last function here is the circles function, where you can create circles. So this might be a team circle, for example, and you give it a name, you give it a description. Once you have a circle in place, all you do is add objects to that circle, and then you share the link for the circle. And then people will join that circle with that link, and they will be able to see all of the objects that relate to the circle. So you could have 3 or 4 objects that are shared within your team, and everybody within your team has access to those 3 or 4 objects all the time, basically. So it's a way to manage multiple objects with multiple people and keep everybody up to date as you're sharing these things. So lots of capabilities here. The whole purpose behind sharing is, as individuals build things in Magic that are valuable and useful, other Magic users are able to benefit from that development and make use of the same capabilities. So we all are able to kind of stay at the leading edge of whatever is being built within the application.